Hello everyone. Today we will be going to discuss the next topic in this chapter, and the name of the topic is Organizing Data. In the last class we have discussed about numerical data and how do we represent this data pictorially. So now we will go on to understand the procedure of organizing this data. How do we organize it in a systematic manner? So usually the data that we have, or the data that is given to us, is basically in an unorganized form, and that data is called raw data. Raw means it is not a means you can say it is not a systematic manner of representing the data. It is totally in an unfashioned, or you can say unorganized manner, in a haphazard manner. So the data that we have is basically the raw data. So we have to organize that data in a systematic manner. So let us see how to do it. To draw meaningful inferences, we need to organize the data systematically. Yes. In order to find out the solution to the problem, first of all, the data which is given to us, we have to make it, or we have to arrange it or tabulate it in a systematic manner. Only then we can find out the required solution to the question that has been asked to us from the given data. Now, let us take an example for better understanding. Say, for example, a group of students were asked for their favorite subject. Now we all know, we all have some favorite subjects. Now it may also happen that all the subjects are favorite, but among those subjects, one of them will be our most favorite, you can say. So the results were listed below as follows. So you can see, one of the students said, I like art subjects. Someone have said mathematics, someone have said science, someone English. So in this manner, everyone has kept their own opinion of their favorite subjects. Now say if we are given this data, can we find out anything from it? No. Why? Because this is totally in unsystematic manner. We have to even count it, that how many have given art as their favorite subject, how many mathematics, how many science, how many English. So this is totally in a unfashioned or unsystematic manner. We have to arrange it systematically. So you can see here the data available is in an unorganized form, that is haphazardly arranged. Anyway, it is arranged, just not in a perfect manner. So I have to arrange this data in a table systematically using tally marks. Now what are tally marks? We'll see that very soon. So we have to arrange this data in a tabular form. This is clear, and we're using tally marks. So this is the table that we'll be arranging it. So we have first of all written all the subjects written down. There are 4 subjects. Among those 4 subjects, we have written all the subjects: art, mathematics, science, English. These are the 4 subjects, and among these 4 subjects, the student has to choose which is their favorite subject. So tally marks is basically nothing. It is just a counting method. So say there are 1 student, 2 student, 3 student, 4 student. Then as soon as 5th student we get, we will cross it. Clear? Then next we will continue. 5 students complete, then 6 students, 7 students. So total how many students likes art, or art as their favorite subject? 7 students. Similarly, for mathematics, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then cross. Whenever there is 5, we will cross it. Clear? This is simple. Nothing is complicated in it. It looks complicated, but nothing is complicated. It is just helping in the counting process, you can say. If we'll make so many lines, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, then it will be confusing for even counting. So we cross it. Once we cross it, that means we are confirmed, that is 5 quantities are there. Then again we will continue. Again 5 quantities come, we will cross it. Clear? So here there are only 5 quantities. Again science, 1, 2, 3, 4, then cross it, that means 5 complete, then one more is given again, that means 6. Then here only 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Clear? So these are called, this way of representing are called tally marks. Clear? So that helps only in the counting process, makes it easy. Now the number of tallies before each subject gives the number of students who likes the particular subject. Yes, this tally marks gives us what? In which information it gives us? It gives us the number of students who like that subject, or the number of students whose favorite subject is that. And this has a particular name. What it is called? It is called the frequency. These are tally marks, and what are these? These numbers that we got from the tally marks, what are these called? Number of students. Yes, but it has a particular name. The name is called frequency. If you have said, what is the frequency of the subject art? You have to say 7. Clear? So this is the frequency. Sometimes in the question, number of students will not be given to you. It will be written simple small f, or it will be written frequency. Then from there you have to understand that this is the number of students. In this question it is number of students, so you have to understand that this is the number of students who likes, or whose favorite subject is art or math or science or English, whatever it is. Clear? So this gives us a number, a quantity, this frequency. Now frequency gives the number, yes, that's what I've said, the number of times that a particular entry occurs. So how many entry has been occurred, it gives us that value, frequency. Clear? So okay, so there is one more point given here. The table made is known as the frequency distribution table. If we'll write down our data in this tabular form, where there is frequency and there is tally marks, then it has a particular name. This table has a particular name. The name of the table is frequency distribution table. From the name itself, you know there is frequency, so it is frequency distribution table, as it gives the number of times an entry occurs. So I hope you all have understood this much what has been taught in today's class. So you can go through your textbook. There are some other examples also given. You can try it out. You can make the frequency distribution table. You can make the tally marks and see for yourself. It will be better if you try it. So that's it then. I hope you'll have understood it. So that's it for today. Thank you and have a nice day.